What is going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So we have to break down Palantir as we're heading into this brand new week. We have to break down the charts, my thoughts, and of course, what I'm looking to do. And later in the video, we'll break down some other stocks that I'm looking at. So guys, hit the like button, run the likes up, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stassurfs.com/Moomoo, and for a limited time, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. And guys, this deal is exclusive to this channel, so get on it if you want some free money and you want to help out the channel. Guys, I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So Palantir had a very good day on Friday. We're not breaking out quite yet, but we could be on the verge of breaking out very soon here. We went up over 2% on the day in the midst of a very strong day for the stock market where the Russell was up 1.7, S&P and the NASDAQ each went up over 1%, and we had the Dow Jones, oh my goodness, guys, absolutely crush it, up over 1.6%. So very good day on Friday, and Palantir got itself into an ascending triangle, which looks like it wants to play out very soon here. You guys can see we made obvious higher lows all day on Friday, but we were struggling to break out of this resistance at about, excuse me, guys, $27.30. That's a big resistance. You guys can see it. Nobody's denying it, right? Even in the aftermarket, guys, we got up to about 27.30, and that's where we're struggling as of the aftermarket, right? So heading into this week, literally tomorrow, we have to see if this plays out. Do we break out of 27.20, 27.30, which that was also the high from Thursday. You guys can see that's where we hit midday Thursday. Oh my goodness, what's going on here, guys? Sorry about that. But we hit that midday Thursday, then we dumped off, and then, of course, like I said, all day Friday, we were struggling at 27.30. So if this breaks, big if, which I think it's possible this week, we might be getting that move up towards $29, $28.50, that general range. That's where we're going to be trading next, in my opinion, right? So I'm going to set one alert here. Might as well do it now on the video. Mark is at or above $27, and I'll do 35 cents. So we'll see if we get a clean break out of the highs from Thursday and Friday. And then if that were to break, guys, the next resistance, okay, we might see one at 27.75, which you guys can see that was actually resistance or support rather on the 22nd of July. So last Saturday, or not Saturday, geez. What day was that? Why did I say Saturday? What the heck am I talking about? Was that Monday or Tuesday? Yeah, that might have been last Monday. Either way, that was support on this day, the 22nd, right? Then we broke under it. It became resistance. And now it looks like that might be a spot that we struggle at in the short term. But if that breaks, we get over 28, right? That could be a spot, or that could be the breakout that we need to get to 29.20, which that was the high on the 23rd of July and on the 22nd in the morning, now that I'm looking at it. So this looks like a great setup for the bulls heading into this week, guys. And going back to the 30-minute chart, you guys can see it even more. I mean, look, we have a big resistance coming up on this time frame at the 180 moving average, which happens to be at 27.75. Funny how that works, right? So that needs to break, needless to say. And I need some freaking water, man. What is going on today? Holy smokes, guys. Hit that like button. Run the likes up because your boy, his throat, something's going on today. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, that point needs to break. My alert set. I might as well do another one at $27.75. Bear with me here, guys. $27.75. There we go. Boom. Beautiful. And yeah, on the 1 hour chart, you guys can see here, Same thing. We were chopping around between 27.50 to 29.50 for about 2 weeks. Then we broke through that point. We got down to 25.50, much needed pullback. And now the main thing that's great for the bulls is that they showed up. They showed up in the mid 20s, bought the dip up, and now we're starting to recover, right? You guys can see that here, which, yeah, it's looking pretty good heading into earnings on the 5th of August. And you guys know, resistance all throughout February into May, even into June, was at about $26, $25.50, $26. And the fact that we held that as support, we bounced off it, buyers came in above the 180 SMA on this 4-hour chart, that is a very good sign. It's all you can ask for pretty much on the pullback, right? So the $1 million question now, ladies and gentlemen, is Palantir going to go higher post earnings after the pullback here, or is there more downside? And honestly, I wouldn't want to see this thing recover all the way back to $29 heading into earnings, just in case earnings aren't that great and then we see a collapse back down. I don't know. Maybe I'm the only one there that's thinking like that. I much rather see it kind of hover around 26, 27 a little bit, kind of cool off there for a week even heading into earnings. Then maybe we get a nice pop after earnings. That'd be ideal. But hey, I can't control it. I'm not pulling the strings here, guys. I don't have the crystal ball. So I'm in the same spot as you. I'm just here kind of watching it and reporting on it and breaking it down. But the way things are panning out right now, man, buyers coming in, it looks like we could be getting ready for a pop even heading into earnings. That's kind of how we're looking. And you guys know this stock is very popular, right? There's a following behind it. People get excited. We might get the pop heading into earnings, potentially, right? So that's a quick breakdown. What do you guys think about that? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And by the way, if you guys haven't signed up yet, I'm actually sending out my top 3 stocks for free every single Monday morning. Just use that link down below. All you have to do is put your email and your first name. And again, I'm sending my top 3 stocks. I'm doing a write-up every single Monday morning for free right to your inbox. So check it out. Link down below, guys. And yeah, cheers to that, by the way. I appreciate all of you guys for signing up to that. I have a bunch of people that have signed up. And again, did I mention that it's free? Yeah, check it out, guys. No spam emails, by the way. Yeah, that's a quick breakdown here on PLTR, and I'm very interested to see how this week goes. If you guys saw my last video today, we have a lot of big tech companies reporting. We have the FOMC statement and the press conference on Wednesday, which is going to move the markets for sure, like it always does. And the interest rate, the Fed funds rate, is not projected to change. It's projected to be at 5.5%. But what does move the markets is what Jerome Powell says, kind of his sentiment, how he answers questions. So that's what I'm very excited about on Wednesday here, the last day of July. By the way, hope you guys have had a great July so far and have an even better August. Cheers to everybody out there watching. I appreciate you all. But yeah, it's going to be a jam-packed week. I'm very excited for it. And I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up, hit that subscribe button. And before you click off, guys, don't forget to get your free money. The clock's ticking from Moomoo, up to 20 stocks with at least a $100 deposit. And your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. It's a no-brainer, guys. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, check out my last video, very in-depth video of what to expect for this week. Go check it out. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next one.